What causes headaches for millions of drivers every day? Parking does. That's why a parking assistant is more important than ever. Introducing the interactive parking billboard. We went to the streets of a major German city to demonstrate just how easy parking can be with Fiat's parking assistant. Our interactive video billboard was there to help. We developed our own software linked to ultrasonic sensors. This monitored the parking space and controlled very special parking assistants. The individual video sequences were played back according to our script so that the distance between the hands precisely matched the distance to the car behind. That made parking not only extremely cool, but also safe, stress-free, simply child's play.